Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland in billet silver. With BI-XENON HID headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 20-inch Tech Gray aluminum wheels, power folding multifunction mirrors, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, a heated steering wheel, 49,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, a rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, heated second row seats, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, a power liftgate, a 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3302A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.